The long-awaited trial into the Enyobeni Tavern disaster has been postponed. Tavern owners and couple Siyakhangela and Vuyokazi Ndevu face charges relating to the sale of alcohol to persons under the age of 18. 21 teenagers died under mysterious circumstances at the tavern last year. Meanwhile, the first state witness described how residents had, for months leading up to the tragic event, called for the police and liquor authorities to intervene, but with no luck. eNCA's Ronald Masinda reports.
The first witness was Mncedisi George Wenana. The 67-year-old says he lives a stone's throw away from Enyobeni Tavern. He says he used to drink at the tavern before noticing that young patrons used to frequently go there. He says he stopped drinking after teenage girls called him baby. Wenana says they used to complain to the police and the Eastern Cape Liquor Board about the noise levels at Enyobeni Tavern and young patrons usually going into their yards. But the defense representing the Ndevus says she is not convinced about some of the allegations made by the witness.
The witness seemed to be evasive in a few questions that I asked him with regards to the load shedding. For one, he cannot recall. It has been 10 months since the incident, and load shedding has been rolling since then. So I do have evidence that load shedding did hit the day, and also on that part that his daughter was also running a business right on his pavement is another shocker to us.
The NPA in the province says it is convinced that they had a credible state witness in Wenana.
We must commend our first witness. I think he was able to give the court what we wanted the court to get from the state's case.
Today's proceedings were interrupted due to load shedding, but the family of the deceased say they are not too worried about any future delays.
When you look at anything that with regards to the courts, there will always be some delays. It's worse now that due to the load shedding, because now even today is the reason why we couldn't proceed any further. It's due to the fact that there is load shedding.
The trial has been postponed to the 23rd and 24th of May, with 2 more state witnesses expected in court. Ronald Masinda, East London.